Hey, dessert enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the world of heavenly pavlova, a dessert that's as visually stunning as it is delicious. Ready for a sweet adventure? Hit that like button and let's create our own pavlova magic. Grab your essentials: 4 large egg whites, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a clean, dry bowl, whisk the egg whites until soft peaks form. Gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, whisking until glossy and stiff peaks form. Gently fold in the cornstarch, white vinegar, and vanilla extract for that perfect pavlova texture. Spoon the meringue onto the prepared baking sheet, forming a nest or circular shape. Create a well in the center. Bake for about 1 hour or until the pavlova is crisp on the outside. Let it cool completely inside the turned-off oven. Whip cream until stiff peaks form. Fill the pavlova with cream and top generously with assorted fresh fruits. Slice, serve, and enjoy the crunchy meringue, velvety cream, and vibrant fruits. Share the joy of this elegant dessert and make every occasion a sweet celebration with your own homemade pavlova masterpiece.